Today I will show you how to make jhumkas with grayscale shading on them. This is just a plain dome which has been painted with Taylor & Brownie white color paint, and this is a Uniball Senior 0.7 mm pen. It's just a normal gel pen which is available in any stationery store, and I'm just drawing freehand. There is no particular blueprint for this drawing. If you intend to sketch it, I would recommend that do a slightly sparse design, because if you do it too close by, it will be difficult to move your pencil and shade. So I'm deliberately making designs which are a bit far apart. And the negative spaces here make your design look even more distinct with their shades. You really don't need anything special for these shades, and I'm in fact using plain straight lines to fill in the empty spaces. It takes some time to get used to working with pens, and all the while that you're working, make sure none of your fingers are touching the areas where you've already drawn, because the pen needs some time to dry. Once this part is done, just use any ordinary pencil. You can use a normal pencil also. I find the mechanical pencil very convenient to use because I don't have to keep sharpening it. Start from the inner edge and slowly drag it out, thereby creating a shade. This also takes some getting used to, so try a few times. And it helps to practice it first on flat surface so that you can get a hang of shading, and then you can move on to 3D surfaces. It's not difficult, it's just tricky. Difficult takes time, tricky takes practice. There you go. So you can see here it seems as if they were dark gray, fade out to light gray and then become white.